Minwa Electronics Company Limited has grown robustly over the years. Today, we are one of the largest manufacturers of power supplies and battery chargers in the region. In 2008, we successfully moved to the new industrial park in Huijiao, Guangdong. The new park is aimed at providing a better workflow and improving the working and living environment of the workers. We have a strong engineering and design team, specializing in various disciplines. Our engineers meet frequently for project discussion. With years of experience and the latest technology, our team of professionals can provide customers the optimal solution for their individual requirements. They will make product samples and test the functions. The spectrum analyzer and automatic component analyzer are used for checking EMC performance and components. The electronic load mainframe and digital power meter are used for EUP test. We test our products in the development stage to shorten the development cycle. Our ISO 17025 compliant laboratory is accredited by TÜV Rheinland. Thus the lab can now perform LVD safety tests and calibration tasks for conformity to both EN and CB standards. We conduct different tests for our products, such as magnetic field tests, temperature and humidity tests, EUP performance tests, PTI tests, we have a product aging room to perform burn-in tests. The aim of the tests is to check the life cycle of particular models. Battery performance tests, the UV plug test is a kind of product drop test. The test is for ensuring our products can be dropped accidentally without damage. We also have a constant temperature case to test the materials used in our products. To verify the insulation function of our products, we conduct an electric strength test. The measurement of the working voltage and observing the waveform of products are by CRO. We conduct different tests to ensure the quality of our products. With these laboratories in place, we are able to shorten our product development and product testing cycle. We have an in-house EMC laboratory in the factory. This laboratory is under the consultancy of a university professor who works for TÜV Rheinland. We conduct EMI tests, the conduction emission test is to measure the radiation of products. This apparatus is to conduct the static test of our products. The effectiveness of our laboratories is to make sure our products comply with international standards. Most of them carry international approval, such as GS, CE, CB Scheme, EMARC, CUL-US, ETL, CTUV-US, FCC, Argentina S-Mark, and so forth. In order to serve more countries, we also apply CTIC, Q-Number, PSE and EK marks for Australian, Japanese and Korean markets. After completing several product tests, the product sketch will be sent to the CNC machine and PCB moulding machine for mould-up making. This advanced equipment effectively speeds up the product development process. The design of our new factory provides a better workflow and improves the working and living environment for the workers. We have our in-house plastic tooling department, AC cable manufacturing department, the in-house metal moulding machine, and cable fabrication department. We conduct a 100% quality test in the semi-production stage. We apply auto-spraying technique to housing painting. Beginning with the spraying, everything runs automatically. Our workers quality check every housing to ensure it is perfect. The next step is silk printing. We have our own blister manufacturing department. These departments in place, our production can be more flexible and our products remain cost-effective. The employment of Green Product Management System enables us to immediately spot potential non-ROS materials used in production. This is the coil winding department. In order to make our production efficient, we employ SMT in PCB assembly. We have a total of 5 SMT production lines, which increases our daily production capacity to 500,000 pieces. The employment of SMD not only speeds up the production lead time, but also effectively controls the product's quality, reducing wastage during production. In response to WEEE and ROS, we employ lead-free equipment to proceed soldering. Every product we make is completely compliant with the requirements of both RoHS and WEEE directives. No more non-RoHS products are being produced. Also, all of our products are marked with the cross-out wheeled bin on the back of the unit. We use the X-ray fluorescence spectrometer in quality control process. We practice random checking of our products by using this machine before delivery, which is in keeping our promise that the products we make comply with both RoHS and WEEE directives. Product drop test, product aging test, function test. We conduct different tests before delivery to ensure our product's quality. We have set up a printing department in our new factory. Filmmaking, instruction manual, stickers, carton making, and packing card printing are now done in-house. The professional management team and production team work to provide high-quality batteries at a low price for customers. Therefore, we started to produce our own rechargeable nickel-cadmium and nickel metal hydrate batteries in 2008. Starting from positive chip and negative chip production, capacity testing, short circuit checking in semi-production stage, aging test and final quality checking are one stop. We are concerned about equipment automation, production technique and staff training so that we can take advantage of cost minimization. Copper wire manufacturing is also in-house. Force gauge test, laser diameter test, conductor elimination test, Gradually, we provide the value-maximizing product and service to our customers in the one place. We have a well-trained security team to maintain the public order and protect our people living in the park. Most of them are former military men who have served the country. Apart from daily training, auto patrol also takes place every day. We employ the smart card system in different aspects of daily life. We make use of natural resources to save the environment for the next generations. The use of solar power reduces the use of electricity and gas. We have set up hundreds of solar panels on the roof of every dormitory, converting solar power to heat in order to provide all-weather hot water for the entire building. We have applied the sewage treatment system to irrigate the land. We collect the domestic and industrial used water by sewage pipes. Through the system, the water is filtered and recycled for irrigation. The factory will include about 20% of land covered by green plants to enhance the quality of air and the well-being of the workers. After the completion of the project, the planted area will be full of fruit trees, brushes, arbours and different kinds of flowers. People living here now enjoy fresh air, a healthier living environment and better views of the working and living place. The new plant, certified by SA 8000, proves our working conditions and environment meet international standards. The 7-storey workers' dormitories have a total floor area of 30,000 square metres, providing comfortable accommodation for singles, couples and families. Every room has its own bathroom, colour TV and storage area. We understand that fresh and nutritional food is vital for good health. Therefore, we purchase fresh fruit and vegetables from the farmers nearby. A variety of food is provided for our people. The supermarket is located at the canteen. Apart from food and snacks, it also provides various daily necessities. The industrial park has enough space and facilities for family and children to play. Table tennis court, web surfing centre, playground. The basketball and badminton courts and more are provided for up to 8,000 workers. We also launched the Back Home Safe program. The program is about taking children to and from school by our own school bus every day. It ensures those kids are safe when they leave the park. We take pride in what we have achieved and we shall keep improving ourselves to guarantee all-round success. Contact us at sales@minwa.com.hk and visit us at www.minwa.com.hk.